Let us unlock the secret to leaving a lasting impression with a captivating aroma in the art of personal grooming. Mastering the art of fragrance is a game changer. You can be the epitome of attractiveness, but a subtle oversight in your scent can transform you from a perfect 10 to a 0. If you smell good, others will feel good about you. The truth is, the impact of good smell extends far beyond mere aesthetics. So here we are going to uncover the secrets of smelling good that will captivate everyone in the room. From decoding the nuances of personal grooming, boosting confidence, and becoming the man who always leaves an impression. The environment. Let us start with the environment you live in. How can it affect your smell? Your living space plays a crucial role in the way you smell. Imagine entering a room with a distinct odor. It definitely leaves an impression on you. We spend the majority of our time in our rooms. In order to smell good, we have to make our surroundings good as well. The remnant of cigarette smoke or the lingering smell of last night's cooking, these smells can attach themselves to your clothes. It follows you like an unwanted shadow. Here are other tips if you are up for the task. Regularly clean your sheets and have air circulation in your room. Make sure that your washing machine is also top-notch and well-maintained. These are some basic things you can do to keep your surroundings clean and smell good. We know that constantly cleaning is a hectic task, but you can try scented candles, plants, DIY air fresheners, etc. Mouth, face, and hair. Next, we have 3 key areas: the mouth, face, and hair. Yes, they are important if you want to smell good. The mouth, it is the weakest area. A smelly mouth can make people avoid you, so having proper mouth hygiene is important. Flossing takes center stage here. While brushing your teeth is a given, the importance of flossing is overlooked. Many don't even know its existence. Think of your mouth as the VIP section of a fancy event. You wouldn't want any lingering guests after hours, right? The same goes for the food in your mouth. Expect flossing. Other things that you can add to your dental hygiene regime is tongue scraping and the use of an alcohol-free mouthwash. It will help you in a great deal. The hair. Next, we have the hair. The often underestimated place of unpleasant odor is the hair. Yes, hair can smell bad. Many people neglect that their hair can smell bad, and that too relatively quickly. Hair is a game changer for many. A well-maintained hair that smells good will turn heads. It makes people curious about you and makes you captivating. But how to maintain good-smelling hair? You have to choose the right product and a signature for that. But it is hard to know when to clean or how soon one should clean your hair. You can have a hair care routine depending on the type of hair you have. Daily shampooing is like trying to murder your hair. Frequent shampooing can strip your hair's natural oil and make your hair dry and unappealing. Striking a balance between not shampooing too much and avoiding excessively long intervals without a wash is crucial. For this, you are on your own, kid. Finding the right product for your hair is imminent. Clean and fresh hair is a game changer. The body. Here we have the most important part, our body. Your body has nooks and corners that need a thorough cleaning. Otherwise, bacteria can accumulate and produce a very bad smell. A smelly body can make people avoid you without a second thought. So, like a sculpture cleans a statue, you have to pay attention to every nook and cranny. People initially recognize our smell before seeing the faces. So, our body plays an important role in making impressions. What can you do to have a good smell? The key is the products. Those who are looking to have good hygiene should opt for a dermatologist-recommended scent-free body wash. This is to make your body free from bacteria, or indulge in one that not only cleans but leaves you smelling divine. Molten Brown is an excellent option if you are not fond of using a colon. You have to steer clear of cheap, overpowering drugstore options. Bidet Bliss. Who does not have a bidet these days? They are literally a life changer. It is an essential in modern amenities. There is no excuse for not having a bidet. Besides the obvious hygiene benefits, a bidet can significantly impact your overall freshness. It is easy to install and incredibly affordable. Owning a bidet is a no-brainer in today's world. Deodorants and colognes. Deodorant. Choosing the right deodorant may seem like a trivial task, but it matters a lot in the end. It can take your outfit to a 100 with smell. Gel-based deodorants are favored for their ability to avoid leaving white streaks on clothing. There are vast options for deodorant, and personal preference often dictates the choice. It is like hunting for Easter eggs. You have to keep on experimenting with different types until you find the one that suits you the best. Colognes. Yes, they are different. You use cologne to have an additional fragrance. When it comes to the application, less is always more. Selecting a fragrance appropriate for the occasion is paramount. Sparing spicy cologne for a workout session is a bad idea. Tailoring your scent to the setting is essential. Investing in high-quality colognes from reputable brands like Tom Ford, Beardo, Maison Margiela, and Creed ensures a long-lasting and pleasant fragrance that sets you apart. A good high-quality cologne is equal to 5 cheap cologne that won't even last for an hour. Crafting your signature scent. Have you ever had your signature scent? If not, then you should. It will be definitely a game changer for you. The concept of a signature scent adds a layer of sophistication to the art of smelling good. Your signature scent is more than just a fragrance. It is a reflection of your personality, style, and individuality. Choosing a scent that resonates with you and complements your natural body requires a thoughtful approach. You have to be careful when you are making your scent. You should consider the occasion, your personal taste, and the season. A well-chosen fragrance becomes an extension of your identity, leaving a lasting impression that goes beyond the visual. You can always find celebrities being associated with certain scents, and the way they smell leaves an impression on others. Experiment with different scents. Explore more and let your signature scent become an integral part of your presence. The role of diet. If you think body odor can only be controlled externally, then think again. While external grooming practices are crucial, the foods you consume also play a significant role in how you smell. Body odor is influenced by various factors, like diet, metabolism, and overall health. Some good will have a good effect, and some will have a bad effect. Here are some of the list we made for you. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, pineapple, etc. can help neutralize odors and contribute to a fresher scent. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fragmented food promote a healthy gut and positively impact body odor. Green tea, known for its antioxidant properties, can help eliminate toxins and reduce body odor. The food to avoid is strong-smelling spices like garlic, onion, and certain spices that can contribute to pungent body odors. The digestion of red meat can result in strong body odors, and highly processed foods may contain additives that can affect body odor. The caffeine addict is going to be disappointed. Along with excessive caffeine, alcohol can contribute to dehydration, and this will lead to intense body odor. Maintaining a good, balanced, and nutritious diet not only benefits your overall health, but also positively influences how you smell. As we wrap up the journey of smelling good, remember that scent is not merely an accessory, but a powerful tool as well. From meticulous care of your living space to the thoughtful selection of grooming products, each step contributes to your journey. Embrace the notion that good hygiene is not just a physical routine, but a practice that is interlinked with your mental well-being. Whether you are aiming to make an entrance, leave a lasting memory, or simply be a testament, a good fragrance will help you achieve that. What is your go-to fragrance that never failed you? Let us know your choice in the comment section below. If these tips have added a dash of inspiration to your grooming routine, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more such content, subscribe to our channel.